Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you some top features of iOS 14 which you didn't know. So let's start. The first feature I want to talk about is the app library. If you swipe right to the rightmost screen, you'll see the app library here. Here you can see that all the apps on your phone is organized category wise. And if you swipe down, you'll see that all the apps are now alphabetically ordered. And there is a search bar at the top of the screen. You can easily search for the apps. And now let's talk about the another feature. Long press on the home screen and tap on the dots at the bottom of the screen. And here you will see all the pages of your home screen. Now mark the checkbox to show that specific page and unmark to hide. And here you can see that all the other pages is now hidden. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.